In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a Hotmail account to your Gmail setup in just 5 minutes. This process is straightforward and will help you manage all your emails in one convenient place. Let's dive in and get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to your Gmail inbox. You can do this by simply entering mail.google.com into your browser's address bar, or by clicking on your Gmail bookmark if you have one saved. Once you're in your inbox, look towards the upper right corner of your screen. You'll find a gear icon. Click on this gear icon, which opens up a drop-down menu. From this menu, select See All Settings. This option will take you to a comprehensive settings page where we can customize your email preferences. On the settings page, you'll see several tabs at the top. Click on the one labeled Accounts and Import. This section allows you to manage your mail accounts and importing settings. It's a useful tool for those who want to consolidate their email addresses into a single interface or wish to import emails from other accounts. Now, on the Accounts and Import page, scroll down until you find the option that says Add a Mail Account. This is the key feature we'll be working with today. Clicking this option opens a pop-up window where you can start the process of linking your Hotmail account to Gmail. Here you'll be prompted to enter the email address of the account you want to add. Go ahead and type in your Hotmail email address, then click Next. You will then have the option to import emails from your other account, Poppy3, or to link accounts with Gmailify, which involves forwarding your emails to Gmail. Choose the Import Emails from My Other Account Poppy3 option and click Next. It will then ask you for the username, password, POP server, and port. Proceed by filling in these details carefully. Remember that generally the username will be your full email address, and the POP server for Hotmail will typically be popmail.outlook.com. Once you've filled in all the required information and you are sure it's correct, click Add Account. This will finalize the linking of your Hotmail account to your Gmail. If the details are correct, Gmail will start to fetch your Hotmail emails, allowing you to manage multiple accounts seamlessly from a single inbox. And there you have it, your Hotmail account is now linked to your Gmail, allowing you to manage all your emails more efficiently. This integration can simplify your email management and keep everything in one place, so you never miss important communication. I hope this tutorial helped you, and if you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment down below. Thanks for watching, and make sure to subscribe for more helpful guides.